Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Perplexity AI desktop app. Having the desktop version installed makes accessing this powerful AI tool much faster and more convenient than opening it in a browser every time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Go ahead and enter those to access your account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Install Apps. This option is where Perplexity gives you access to download their desktop application for various platforms. Now you'll be taken to a page showing different download options. Navigate to the section for Perplexity and you'll notice several platform choices. Look for the one labeled Windows right beside the app name and click on Download. This initiates the download process for the desktop installer. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the file downloads to your computer. The download time will depend on your internet connection speed, so just be patient while it completes. You can usually see the download progress in your browser's download bar. Once the download is complete, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser where the download section is located. You should see the Perplexity installer file that just finished downloading. Click on Open to launch the installer. This starts the installation process on your computer. Now wait a few seconds while the app installs itself. The installer will handle everything automatically, setting up the necessary files and creating shortcuts so you can easily access Perplexity AI directly from your desktop. During this brief installation period, you might see a progress window or installer dialog. Just let it run its course. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Perplexity AI desktop app on your Windows computer. Now you can launch it anytime directly from your desktop without needing to open a browser first. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.